Not every trip is about chasing big name destinations. Sometimes, the best ones are right there in front of us, hiding in plain sight. Welcome to Hidden in Plain Sight, where we explore places you've probably heard of, maybe even driven past, but never really stopped to see. Today's destination is one of those places. Most people just pass by, but trust me, there's more here than you think. We left Mumbai early, and the moment we hit the highway, the vibe changed. Traffic disappeared, hills rolled in, streams on the side, greenery everywhere. That's when it hit me. The trip had already begun long before Khopoli. And road trip हो and थोड़ी मस्ती ना हो, ऐसे कैसे? Music blasting, windows down, Bollywood classics and a quick dhaba stop to have that garam chai. आहा, सीन तो वहीं पे बन गया. थोड़ा laughter, थोड़ा गाना, थोड़ा नाच. अरे पूरे रास्ते गेम बताते बताते मैं भूल ही गया कि मैंने नाम बताना भूल गया. सोच रहे होंगे कि गोवा जा रही है लोनावला या मे बी इवन महाबलेश्वर, बट नहीं, हम जा रहे हैं एक ऐसी जगह जो सबके रास्ते में आती है पर सब इग्नोर कर देते हैं. Khopoli, hidden in plain sight, right? Our first stop, the waterfalls. Now, if you're from Mumbai or Pune, Khopoli and waterfalls go hand in hand. Monsoons turn every hillside into a waterfall spot. Usually they're crowded, but that day, Khopoli surprised us. Not jam-packed at all. Enough space to just be. We ran around, got drenched, clicked 100 photos. That misty breeze hitting our faces, shoes completely wet, hair messy, but who cares? That's what makes a trip. Moments like these remind you कि photos तो सब ले लेते हैं, पर असली यादें दिल में प्रिंट होती हैं. And after all that madness, we needed a place to just crash and unwind. So, we chose Khopoli's first glasshouse villa, Saffron Stays Sonnet. And honestly, perfect decision. Secluded right in the middle of nature, but with a vibe that's premium and homely. With big glass walls with greenery pouring in, cozy corners where you just flop down with friends. We played games, tried the piano. I mean, thoda बेसुरा था, but चलता है. And just chilled. Then came the food. Simple, hot, comfort food. You know exactly what we did not know we needed. That night, over dinner, our caretaker joined us. Not just with food, but with stories.
करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है सर. जैसे कि यहाँ पे पास में है डूंगर के, तो आप सनसेट के टाइम पे वहाँ पे जा सकते हो. बहुत अच्छा व्यू आता है. उसके बाद आप लोहगढ़ फोर्ट जा सकते हो. फिर भाजे वाटरफॉल्स करके, जिन्हें तो सबको पता है, वो किसी को नहीं पता, वो आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. ये सभी जगह जो है यहाँ पे भीड़ नहीं रहता, आप अच्छे से एंजॉय कर सकते हो.
He told us about the forts, the waterfalls, the ancient caves, and that's when it hit us. Khopoli is not just a highway stop, it's seriously underrated. There's so much here that we never even knew about. After that conversation, we realized one thing. One day is just not enough. We should have planned more days here. But okay, next time. For now, with just one morning left, we decided to go see the Bhaja Caves. So, next morning, after a filling breakfast at Sonnet, coffee in hand, we were off to the Bhaja Caves. छोटी सी ट्रैक थी, around 200 steps, थोड़ा uphill, थोड़ा uneven, but worth it. On the way up, we could see the views all around with green hills stretching forever. And clear दिन पे तो you can even spot the Lohagarh and Visapur forts from here. At the top, we walked into this giant cave. High stone pillars, cool air, and in the center, a stupa. Hard to believe that this was carved more than 2000 years ago. Standing there, you just go quiet. And एक fun fact कि जो roof में we were standing, that design seemed like that it was carved in the wood, but actually it was just all stone. I mean, what math skills, right? थोड़ा आगे जाके, we found the stupas built as memorials for monks. And the vibe here, it was just something else. The air felt heavier, calmer. We stood here for several minutes, all in stillness, and it felt like the old chants were still echoing on the walls. Khopoli for us wasn't just about waterfalls or a stay. It was about slowing down, finding history in our backyard, and realizing that even places we think we know can surprise us. It reminded us we chase faraway places, but sometimes the real gems are right under our noses. That's exactly the idea of hidden in plain sight. Ab, aap batao. Which place do you always pass by but never stop for? Drop it in the comments. Maybe that'll become our next destination. If you enjoyed this ride, hit like, share this with your gang, and subscribe for the next episode. Until then, sayonara. See you in the next one.